The great Haridasa, Sri Gopaladasaru, is one amongst the Dasa Chatushtaya, who is popularly known as Bhaktiyali Bhaganna, due to his ultimate devotion upon the Lord Sri Hari and also ultimate Guru Bhakti upon his Guru Sri Vijayadasaru. Sri Gopaladasaru is known to be an Amsha of Lord Sri Ganesha. Let us commemorate Sri Gopaladasaru on the auspicious day of his Punyatithi. Agatadi Trikalagnam Agamartha Visharadam Tyagabhoga Samayuktam Bhagannarya Gurum Bhaje. Agatadi Trikalagnam. Sri Gopaladasaru had the siddhi of Gayatri Mantra, and he was well versed in Bhutakala, Bhavishatkala and also Vartamana Kala Jnana with his Aparoksha Jnana. His early life was utilized to tell the Bhavisha of the people with the siddhi of this Gayatri Mantra. Agamartha Visharadam. Sri Gopaladasaru was well versed in Vedas, Upanishads and Shastra Prameya and also Vedokta Mantra Siddhi, and with this only he could save the life of Sri Jagannatha Dasaru, who was suffering a lot from a severe stomachache. Tyaga Bhoga Samayuktam. Sri Gopaladasaru had donated 40 years of his life to Sri Jagannatha Dasaru as per the instructions of his Guru Sri Vijayadasaru. By this, he taught us that this Tyaga itself is a great Hari Puja. And he had always maintained that balance between Tyaga and Bhoga. Bhagannarya Gurum Bhaje. The early name of Sri Gopaladasaru was Bhaganna. And that is why it is popular that Bhaktiyali Bhaganna. He was a guru for many Shishyas. It is because of Sri Gopaladasaru we have Harikathamrita Sara today. It is because of his sacrifice. Nanendigu Mariye Nimadidu. We should never forget that ultimate favor and ultimate compassion of Lord Sri Hari and also of the great Haridasa, Sri Gopaladasaru. Madhvantargata Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.